Howdy folks, Steve from Tesla Archerfield. Welcome to our, I believe, first weekly or whenever we feel like it wrap up. So we're going to call it Wrapped Up Whenever We Feel Like It, Lee. In this video, okay, so now you know what you're going to see. If you want to stick around for the long version, please do so. So, as we said, Tesla Archerfield. Why did I say Tesla Archerfield? Well, if you look behind me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Teslas here at the moment. 5 Model Ys and a Model 3. All of them here for Xpel paint protection film. You've heard those words come out of my mouth a million times before. Anyway, let's go for a tour of the shop. Since you're here, you already know what to expect. First one, cab off the rank, is this Tesla Model Y. This one is finished. It is sitting in our pickup bay, ready to be collected this afternoon. So this one has a full Xpel Gloss PPF kit. It's also received our ceramic coating, and the 2 front windows only have been tinted on this one with our top of the range tint film, 35%. Sorry, just checking the job card. Yep, that was it. And we've also actually fitted some rim skins to this as well. This was supplied by the client. That's meant to help with gutter rash and things like that. To my right, you may have seen this one on our socials before, the beautiful satin pearl white STO. This one came back in for a maintenance checkup. This one is sporting a full Xpel Stealth paint protection film kit. The paint is factory satin white, mind you, but this one has a full satin PPF kit as well, so as not to change the look and protect that very delicate paint. Come for a walk with me, I'll show you what else we got. Alrighty, so on my right here we have another Tesla Model Y. This one has full Xpel Stealth paint protection film. Oop, I'm popular today. Xpel Stealth paint protection film kit. So it's taken the gloss black to
okay.
A satin black finish. We've also fitted a bunch of accessories that the owner supplied, such as some carbon caps for the camera housings, the mirrors, the badges as well. So we've put a red badge with a carbon overlay, and I think there's one on the back too. Cut to that one, won't take you over there. Ah, that's right, headlight and taillight tint as well. Light shade, so it's not too dark. It's still gonna give you a good light throw, but it just looks a little bit more menacing. Over this side, we have Model 3. Full stealth paint protection film kit. So this one's gone from gloss metallic white to satin metallic white. I don't think we've done anything else too crazy with this car, just the stealth conversion. To my right, this is our first FL5 Civic Type R to come through the shop. So this one, again, full Xpel PPF kit. This one's just being started. It's the first of quite a few that are going to come through. I think we've got 4 or 5 books so far. And one of those also belongs to one of my partners, Jeff, who has one coming up in probably the next month or so, whenever the boat decides to land. Moving down the line, another Tesla Model Y. This one's also getting a stealth conversion. So you're gonna hear those words a lot. We have heaps and heaps of Model Ys getting stealth conversions. I believe once this one is done, we will have finally completed a Tesla Model Y in every one of the factory paint colors with a stealth conversion. So that'll be a cool montage video, something to put together for you guys to see. But that's what that one's in for. We haven't started it yet. It's up to the front, ready to be worked on. Over to my right, LANDCRUISER 79 series. Again, full PPF kit. This one's gonna get a little bit of film on the tops of the tray as well. A few other bits and pieces, but pretty self-explanatory. Gloss kit, it's not gonna look too much different. Oh, and tinted windows as well. Actually, I should recap. All these cars have got tinted windows, and all of them have gotten our top of the range Xpel XR Plus tint. It's our highest heat rejection and highest UV rejecting film. So, you know, we're in Queensland. Why would you go for anything less than the best heat rejecting film you can get? I'm saying I'm a lot today. 7 Series, there it is again. 7 Series BMW to my left. This one has a full PPF kit as well, and window tint, if I'm not mistaken. Don't see too many of these around. They're quite a rare car. They come in 2 different wheelbases, short and long, so they're very much your very businessy limo spec type car, very luxurious cars. Very nice. Moving along, where are we? Here we go, another Model Y. This one's getting Xpel Gloss Paint Protection Film Kit. Again, full body, gloss PPF, window tint going down as we speak. To my right, actually no, to my left, Tesla Model Y number 5. This one is getting a gloss PPF kit. Wait, oh, another stealth conversion. There we go. I can't even keep track with all of these. My mistake, sorry guys. Another black stealth conversion for this one. So it's gonna look very similar to that first one that you saw at the beginning. However, it's not gonna have the badges, and I don't think this one's getting light tint either off the top of my head. Could be wrong there, but we'll see soon enough. To my right, I don't know which one. Oh well, we're here now. To my right, we've got a Cayenne GTS. So this one has just received a full Xpel PPF kit. It's going to get ceramic coating over the top. It's had the windows tinted. I think it's also getting interior and rims coated as well, if I'm not mistaken. So it'll jump on the hoist, take the wheels off, and it's going to get the full face, barrel, and calipers coated. Make maintenance a lot easier on that one. Finally, the last one for today is this lovely GT4RS. But this one has been in the shop previously. We did the full PPF kit on it, except for one panel that needed a little paint repair due to a nasty chip or something or other. So that was the rocker panel there. That is going to get some film installed on it shortly, and then it will be ready to go back to the owner, complete and protected. Well guys, that about wraps up your tour of Tesla Archerfield. Thanks for joining me once again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow us on all of our platforms. If you want to see more of this content, maybe we'll start making some more regular weekly videos for you guys, or semi-weekly. If you like this one enough, in the comments let us know what you want to see more of, because we've got so much stuff happening, but we're not really not sure what you want to see. So let us know. See you on the next one.